RS6, I am late. But that sure does look big though. Be a dream car of mine. I've always loved RS6s, but that is as wide as anything. RS6 is mad. That was bad. I mean, it got me quicker to work because I don't want to be late today. Let's go. Thank the Lord. Oh, what is it blocking me for? I gotta be the top. Come on. Too many roads and too many cars, man. Too many cars. Oh, come on, I'm late. Why is there so much traffic? I'm gonna be late for work. Oh, I need to go that way. I need to go that way. Can you just scoot up a bit, please? That's another RS6, that is. It's another RS, isn't it? Pretty sure it is. That's another RS. Looked like police, you know, that did. That looked like a police car. I seen the blue lights. That could be an unmarked police car. I'm late for work, but thank God if there's traffic, because if that's an unmarked police car RS6, I'm getting done. I would have got done because I would have like blitzed, but because there's traffic, the Lord is on the side. I can't even enjoy my car. It's a joke in 2025, but hey, if that's what life is, we can't be weak. We gotta stay strong. Nice little tunnel, so we're gonna hear this car nice and loud. Another traffic. Why? What's going on? That's why. That's why there's so much traffic. Will that guy let me pass? No, he's not gonna let me pass. No, I need to go, man. I'm late. Oh. Thank you very much. This is crazy. Thanks, mate. Yeah, so too much traffic everywhere. The learner driver. He's going though, he's going. Let's go this way. Shortcut way. A lot of people are going to say I'm driving too quick, be careful. Because of how loud the car is, people think it's going fast, but it's actually not that fast. Just to like make that clear. It's as loud as that jet. Thank you. Thank you, man. I've got to go work. Jeez, that was loud. I think we've made it to work, guys, so I think I'm going to end the video there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.